Hi, I'm Jeff Brown with Global Machinery in Denver, Colorado. Global Machinery was started 24 years ago by my father, and we rent, sell, and service utility construction equipment. I've been in the business for 17 years. I graduated from college with an engineering degree, worked for a few years in the engineering field, and then decided to join my father in business. Well, our business was growing, and we really, we'd outgrown our old facility, and it was time for us to take the next step and have a new, more modern facility that would better suit our needs and our growth as a business. Well, we found out about Sunward through a friend of a friend, really. So when we were looking for our building, we did shop around a little bit. Once we decided on a steel building, I think we got 3 different quotes. But they were all pretty close in price, and probably the 2 or 3 things that were most important to us were quality, certainly. Sunward has a very good reputation of some good quality buildings. The price is a factor, and they were right in there with the other buildings we looked at. And then reputation. Sunward's been building steel buildings for a long time. The sales team at Sunward was knowledgeable on the building, and we had a couple of unique features, a couple of things we were doing that were a little different, and they had the knowledge that was necessary to design the right building for us. The size of the facility is actually 3 structures all tied together. We had an original 5,000 square foot shop facility, a metal building that had been here for over 20 years. We added another 5,000 square foot service shop facility, and then the administrative building that we're sitting in has a 4,000 square foot footprint, but it's about 3,000 square feet on a second level. So total square footage of usable square footage is 17,000 square feet. Where those buildings all come together, the one connection is pretty straightforward. The other connection required a large valley gutter because of the way the slopes of the roof come together. So there was a unique design feature associated with the valley gutter. From an insulation standpoint, we chose 2 different insulation styles or packages. The new service shop has your standard steel sheeting on the outside, and then your standard bad insulation on the inside. On the administrative building, we actually chose to go with an insulated panel. We wanted to create and keep the look of, so you could see the steel from the inside. We chose the insulated panels to achieve that look. We do have several overhead doors because we've got the maintenance facility. We also put in an overhead door in our showroom so we could bring equipment in and out to display inside where the customers come and walk in through the front door. We've got a storefront type of situation out front with glass doors, and then we've got half a dozen or better actual exterior man doors. This was my first experience with purchasing a steel building and the entire building process. Overall, we're very satisfied with Sunward and with the building itself and the quality and the look. The final product itself we're extremely satisfied with.